people selling all kind of stuff is my next question.
Okay.
There is this new nootropic industry which is coming up, and everyone has been advocating. People are taking shortcuts for using brain enhancing products and all. People like Tim Ferriss, Dave Asprey, and all. What is your take on it? Like, is the brain hacking a good thing or a wrong thing?
Brain hacking in the sense of trying to get to the essence, trying to make it really work well, and trying to get around all the outside stops and try to get to the center of it is excellent. Nothing wrong with hacking, but the best hack is to hack it all the way in.
Right.
And that means to the self, pure consciousness.
Right.
Inside, TM, transcending. Transcending is the ultimate hack.
Right.
Because it gets to where everything is.
Deeper levels.
You actually get into the vault in the bank, okay? Where everything is worthwhile. Everything else is sort of distractions, okay?
Right.
You get into the vault, that's you. It's you on it. To hack on the surface could have some values, but it's a surface value understanding, a surface value appreciation, and influence. It's not the same thing as consciousness. Remember, everything's consciousness. Even the chia seed is consciousness.
Right.
But when you enliven consciousness through transcending, you're using the full thing, as opposed to this little value of consciousness as chia seed or something like that, or this nootropic or something like that, or this just supplement or something like that. These all have values, but you have to make sure that they're part of what you want. And so you have to make decisions. How do you make the best decisions? Make the best decisions to know who the heck you are. How do you know who you are? You haven't got a clue. Right, this is my name, this is my card, this is my wife, and this is whatever. Okay, that's not who you are. That's that surface value of the imagery and the reality that you're caught up in, which you're enjoying, and it's fine to enjoy it because we're here to enjoy it, but that's not you. That's the surface you, that's all this diversity you. It's not the ultimate synchronous unity of you. And if you get to that synchronous unity of you, what comes out of that is exactly what you need at that point at that time, without someone having to tell you, although it can be value sometimes to remind you of things. You want to be spontaneously having the right thoughts and the right action. Everything else is somebody else's opinion, and who knows, how could I tell you what to do? I would have no clue. I mean, I might have an opinion, but that doesn't mean it's useful. You're the best knower of what you need to think and do at this point. And I can have suggestions that may make sense.
Utilize or may not utilize.
And then that's the other thing, because everything's a suggestion ultimately out there. And then you bounce off of those suggestions, but it has to come from inside. And the only way to really know what's coming from inside if it's clean and clear and not all sort of stressed and messed.